Why our pathways and driveway become slippery and how RedClean offers solutions. The picturesque snow-covered landscapes come with hidden dangers of slips and falls. In this insightful exploration, we'll unravel why these surfaces become treacherous in winter and, more importantly, how RedClean solves these issues effectively to ensure safety and peace of mind. The slippery winter puzzle. Winter's cold embrace introduces many factors, transforming once stable pathways and driveways into slippery hazards. RedClean acknowledges the challenges posed by snow and ice, recognising that it's not just about the visible dangers, but also the subtle intricacies that make surfaces dangerously slick. The role of snow and ice. The enchanting snowfall that blankets our surroundings can be deceptive. As it accumulates, it creates an inviting yet dangerous layer on walkways and driveways. RedClean dives into the nuisances caused by snow and highlights how dangerous snow can be when it evolves into hidden risks, especially as it melts and refreezes, forming an invisible layer of ice. Nature's accomplices. Moss, algae and debris. Beyond the winter weather, nature's accomplices play a significant role in rendering surfaces slippery. Moss, algae and debris find a conducive environment to thrive in the cold and damp conditions. RedClean's expertise extends beyond seasonal challenges, addressing the root cause contributing to the slipperiness of the pathways and driveways. Overcoming slippery surfaces. The RedClean approach. Understanding why surfaces become slippery in the winter is only the first step that RedClean takes with a comprehensive approach to overcoming these challenges. Our winter pressure washing surfaces are tailored to remove visible grime and address the underlying issues. We employ specialised techniques to restore traction to surfaces, ensuring they remain safe and slip resistant. The science of traction restoration. RedClean doesn't rely on guesswork. Our approach is rooted in the science of traction restoration. Through precise pressure levels and carefully selected cleaning agents, we go beyond surface cleaning to create an environment where the risk of slips and falls is significantly reduced. This attention to detail sets us apart in ensuring that pathways and driveways are visibly appealing and safe to navigate. Custom solutions for residential comfort. Homeowners often bear the brunt of slippery surfaces, especially near their homes. RedClean understands the unique challenges residential areas face and tailors solutions beyond a one-size-fits-all approach. RedClean is committed to ensuring that every pathway and driveway that we touch becomes a secure passage for homeowners. As winter blankets the landscape, let RedClean be your partner in creating surfaces that are not just visually inviting, but more importantly, safe and slip resistant.